Hi there, it's Sam, and you can now create a subscription picker within Instant and let customers choose whether they want to receive your product weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, or any other interval you have created. So let me show you how to set this up. Within the Insert panel under Variant, you can find the new preset called the Selling Plan. And this preset has the subscription picker added by default. Now let's drag and drop this underneath the product variants, and there we go. This preset is by default connected to a placeholder product, as you can see right here. So let's disconnect it from this placeholder product. And now let's also delete some default styling. For example, the max width of 320 pixels. Let's delete it. And then we delete this price element, and the description of the subscribe and save, and this description right here. When the one-time purchase option is selected and we head over to interactions, you can see that there's an action. And in this case, select Selling Plan, and it's connected to the one-time purchase. When we head over to subscribe and save, again under interactions, we have to set up a default selected selling plan, which in this case, let's select the weekly interval. What's also good to know about this preset is that there is some conditional logic built in, specifically to the plan dropdown. So this layer is selected, and under settings, you can see that there is a conditional. Show when selling plan is not one-time purchase. So this dropdown will not be shown when the selling plan is one-time purchase. Now, when we preview, we can also see it's nice and functional. We select subscribe and save. The discount is automatically applied, which in this case is a 15% discount. And we can select all the different intervals. The subscription options in this example are coming from Bolt subscriptions. So when we head over to the Bolt product, you can see I've created a subscription group for the Suntime product. I've created 3 different intervals, and for each interval there is a 15% discount. And automatically these subscription options will appear within Instant. And this is not exclusive to Bolt subscriptions, but works like this with any other subscription app that integrates with Shopify. What's good to know for those that already have created their buy boxes, in order to add this functionality, you can simply drag in, for example, a variant dropdown, add it in, we delete the other one, and then instead of it being connected to a product option, for example, the volume of this sunscreen product, we can connect it to a selling plan, and then it's set up. And that's it for this video. I hope you have a good understanding of the subscription picker. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more product updates.